Hello guys, welcome back to Chow Chow 2025. Forget basic face swapping. Today we're building an AI genetic mixer with ComfyUI Zen-ID node. We are going to blend two faces together to generate an entirely new person. The result is incredible. See what your hypothetical child might look like. Create brand new original fictional characters by merging existing traits. I'm running this high-quality InstantID-based workflow on the RTX 4060 Ti. Let's jump straight to the install and the critical parameters. First, the installation. Zen-ID is a custom node, so we need to set it up right. Got to Zen-ID GitHub page, link on video description, scroll down into installation part. Copy the git clone command step 2 line 2 from the GitHub installation part. Go to your ComfyUI custom node folder. In the address bar, type cmd and press enter. Paste the command and run it. The node is downloaded. Requirements: we need the dependencies. Copy the install command, step 3 line 1. If you use the ComfyUI portable version, navigate to the main directory by typing cd twice. Then adjust and paste the script, python_embedded/python.exe-m pip install-r comfyui/comfyui_zen-id/requirement.txt. Model download. Copy the model download script, step 3 line 2. Go back into the custom node folder in the command prompt. Run the script. If you use the ComfyUI portable version, follow the script on the screen. This will take a while, so let it run. While that downloads, grab the Zen-ID Combine face.json workflow from the GitHub folder. After the download finished, open your ComfyUI and open the workflow. ControlNet will be automatically download with the script, simply adjust the location. Zen-ID requires an SDXL checkpoint. I'm using RealVis XL Lightning v5.0. Link on video description. Since we use Lightning model, reduce the step into 6 to 8 and CFG 1 to 2. Connect image 1 left and image 2 right as your source faces. Let's run the workflow settings. See the result. This is the power of the blend. This is a show of what your child look like later. Optionally, we could use image concatenate multi-node as an optional viewing tool and easy comparison. Here are other examples. The prompt controls the final look. We can easily change the combined face to a girl by updating the text prompt. For clarity, let's blend two adult faces and see how the controls affect the result. Now the most important part, mastering the Zen-ID Face Combine node's parameters. Balance 0.0 to 1.0, this is your genetic selector, default is 0.5. A value closer to 0.0 pulls features strongly from image 2. A value closer to 1.0 pulls features strongly from image 1. Now let me set up at 0.7 balance. Weight 0.0 to 5.0. This is the intensity of the blend. Default is 0.8. Weight 0.0 completely ignores the input faces. A weight of 1.0 makes the blend obvious and strong. Let's keep it at 0.7 for a more natural look. Start at /end at 0.0 to 1.0. This controls when the blend happens in the generation process. These parameters are critical if you want to create a new fictional character. By increasing start at, the AI generates the initial image based only on the prompt. The blending only starts later in the steps, making the final face highly unique and unrecognizable from the originals. Use these parameters to generate unlimited new faces. Here are a bunch of final, diverse examples. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Please subscribe to Chow Chow 2025 for more efficient ComfyUI workflows. See you again on the next episode and have a nice day. Please subscribe.